Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Here we have a book Art Mind for Step 4. Today we are going to do page number 12. Here we have a geometrical design to do. For this we need a pencil, a scale, a scissor and glue. To complete this, you have to use colored papers given at the back of your art book in envelope. You can see the color arrangements of each box on your book. For cutting these papers, firstly we need to measure each type of box. If you noted, we have three types of shape here: square, rectangle and circle. We need 8 squares, and for cutting square, let's start measure it. The length of a square should be 4.3 centimeter and its width should be 4.5 centimeter. So cut the 8 pieces of squares using the same measurement. Students, for cutting, take parents' help. Now let's measure the rectangle box. Here you can see length of rectangle 2 centimeter and its width is 4.7 centimeter. Now cut 4 pieces of rectangle using this same measurement. Now moving toward the circles, here you can see we have two sides of circle. The center circle is little big as compared to the circle at outside. The middle circle is about 4.6 centimeter and the outer circles are about 4.2 centimeters. Let's cut these circles. While cutting, be careful and make your cutting neat and clean. We have done our cutting. Now let's just paste it. For pasting it, use glue and just arrange the colors. Students, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.